Hi everyone, welcome back to jalian.co.uk. We're going to do the Nihon Box, which is the anime box from Japan. And this is the January box. Okay, so first of all, the theme is Happy Start. And we've got the cheat sheet. So first out we've got the Rama plush. That's like a Squishmallows type version with the shape. Then we've got the Pokemon mini tray. Blue Lock wooden, Blue Lock big keychain. That's that one. Some Nico Daifuku, Mochi, Classic and Mugwort. Interesting. Then we've got a pot. And this is a mini soup bowl with lid. Quite cute when it's red inside. And then finally we've got a figure, and it's Kuroko's basket figure. With a little black and white cat. And that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jalian.co.uk.